Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So in this video, I'll show you how velocity edit in CapCut tutorial. CapCut is an all-in-one video editing app available for Android and iOS. It has gained a large amount of popularity among individuals, especially TikTok users. With this application, you can make basic edits including trimming, splitting, reversing. In addition, it is packed with various filters, transitions, text, stickers, background music, and more. Whenever you want to modify a certain video clip on CapCut, make sure that you activate the menu first by tapping the video clip, or there is only the default menu at the bottom. Making a velocity edit on CapCut is easy and fun. But guys, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First step, you have to open your CapCut apps and then tap on new project and select a video from your gallery. Then click the button add. After that, tap edit at the bottom left corner of the screen to activate the edit menu, and then tap speed. After you tap speed, two options will pop up at the bottom. The curve option allows you to make a velocity edit, while the normal option is just for standard speed manipulation. So choose curve, choose custom, and tap on it again to access the bits. You'll find 5 bits, which means the video is divided into 5 symmetrical sections. And adjust the speed the way you like. To speed up a section, you can drag the bit point upward, or you can slide a bit point downward to slow down an area. Apart from that, it also allows you to add or delete bits. To archive this, place the playhead at the part where you want to add or delete a bit. Then tap on add bit or delete bit at the right of the play button. And I'll custom my video first. And then when you are done, click the tick button at the bottom to apply the effects. Or if you don't want to custom your speed, you can pick montage, hero, ballad, and so on. It's optional. If you have done, click the tick button again. And to go back, you have to tap this one. And done. Well guys, that's it from me. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.